Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Collect and log the target tissue or fluid, then note its storage history so you can anticipate degradation. Prepare your reagents and a positive control now, because controls tell you if the marker detection will work. Calibrate instruments and equilibrate buffers. Once done, aliquot samples into labeled tubes and apply the initial fixation or extraction step immediately to preserve the Vitellary marker integrity. Next, focus on the complex middle steps. Extract or retrieve the marker with a method matched to its chemistry, since proteins and nucleic acids require different treatments. Block nonspecific sites, then incubate your primary antibody or probe with precise timing to maximize specificity. After washes, amplify the signal with a validated secondary system or PCR cycle. Make sure to run replicates and include the positive and negative controls prepared earlier so you can interpret signal strength versus background. To complete the task, capture and quantify your readout, whether image, band, or CT value, and compare directly to your controls and calibration standards so you can declare presence or absence confidently. Record metadata, normalize to a reference marker, and archive raw data. If results are ambiguous, one key troubleshooting tip. If signal is weak, check sample integrity and then incrementally adjust antigen retrieval, antibody concentration, or amplification parameters. Repeat with a fresh control to isolate the failure mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.